Hello marketers, let's check out the Shopify affiliate program. First, a quick overview on what Shopify is all about. Shopify is the leading e-commerce solution that allows you to create an online store to sell your goods. It's simple to use and you can get started in minutes. Shopify offers a 14-day free trial so you can try it out before you buy. And if you decide to sign up, there are several pricing plans to choose from so you can find the one that's right for you. One of the best things about Shopify is that it's totally customizable. You can choose a template to start with or design your own store. And you can add any type of product you like, from clothes to cosmetics to electronics. Shopify also makes it easy to sell your products on other websites. You can create a shop on Facebook, for example, or add a buy button to your website. Plus, there are lots of Shopify apps that you can use to make your store even better. So, if you're looking for a great e-commerce solution, Shopify is a good choice. It's easy to use, totally customizable, and has lots of resources available to help you learn. Shopify has a pretty good affiliate program. It is totally free to join. As a Shopify affiliate, they will pay you $100 commission for each referred customer you bring to Shopify using your affiliate links. Some affiliate marketers have earned well over six-figure incomes promoting Shopify. I'll leave links down below in video description for you guys to check out the Shopify affiliate free sign-up page, as well as a link to the frequently asked questions page. Overall, this is a fantastic affiliate program to make money with. Thank you for viewing and happy marketing.